the world's first 100% decentralized auto poll platform from USA and a community-based project. First platform to participate in decentralized Tron funding project based on Tron blockchain smart contract. Tron on smart contract is designed to provide everyone with an independent financial support fund based on smart contract technology. Guys, you still have not earned any money? Are you still struggling in the field of network marketing? Is your hard-earned money still going down the drain? You still don't have any stable plan? Today I will discuss a plan with you all where at every level you will earn quality income and receive good support on a whole. It is an interesting and a well strategized plan. Today I will tell you all about a plan called Tronon. Tronon is a decentralized smart contract recently started in the US, currently running in its pre-launching state. It is set to be launched in January 2021. For the time being, participants can hold their position in the platform by registering on this platform. Let us understand Tronon in detail. Tronon supports three types of income: direct income, auto pool income, third one is level income. The registration fees of Tronon is only 1000 TRX. After getting registered, this piece of 1000 TRX will get divided into two parts. 500 TRX will instantly get transferred to our referral sponsor, the one who recommends us to join this platform. And with the remaining amount, that 500 TRX, we buy our first pool because the buying amount of the first pool is 500 TRX only. After buying a pool, we get 3 times income in return. For example, if we buy a pool for 500 TRX, we will get 1500 TRX in return. This is an auto poll system where participants are automatically added, and this benefits all the existing participants of Tronon and gives a boost to their income. To earn money, you have to give referrals to others to join Tronon. There are 30 auto pools in this platform. For every pool, one direct is required. For every pool that you currently reside in, you will get 3 times the buying piece of that pool in return. And if you wish to buy other pools, you can do that as well whenever you want. As you keep going from one pool to another, you will get homogeneous amount of money in return, and there's no way you are going to think of leaving Tronon and join some another platform. There's no such thing as ROI in Tronon. There is a total of 30 pools in this platform, and we are required to stay in every pool for at least a month. Within a month, we will be able to earn 3 times income of that pool. So going by this logic, we will able to earn a passive income that will make us millionaires and will help us all to bring a change in our lives and in this world too. Now let's understand auto pool in detail. You will start earning automatically once you buy a minimum number of auto pools. If you want to increase your shares, then you do as many directs as possible. More the directs, more will be the shares, and this will help you in earning the 3 times amount as quickly as possible. Even if you are alone in a pool and there are no other participants with you, then also you can earn money by buying other auto pools. The more auto pools you buy, the more shares you will get. If you buy the first auto pool, you will receive only 1 stake. The second auto pool will give you 2 stakes. The third auto pool will give you 4 stakes. The fourth auto pool will give you 8 stakes, and so on. After a certain period, the stakes you have will help you in doubling your money. From second pool onwards, we start earning level income. If we make our own team and own through each other's support, then we start earning level income, which is in millions. In the first level, we get 5%. In the second level, we get 2.5%. In the third level, we get 1.5%. In the fourth level, we get 1%. From 5 to 24 levels, we get 0.5%. These percentage of level income might look small, but believe me, they are not. The level income of 30 auto pool is huge. When we join any pool, its 80% gets divided into the auto pool and remaining 20% gets distributed amongst the level. That means our team, that people across the globe who join Tronon, helps to us to make millions and billions. So this was all about Tronon. Summarizing, Tronon is a unique and one of the best money earning decentralized platforms globally. If you want to know more about Tronon, to go for website tronon.io. Thank you.